Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to teach about how to simulate the CMOS implementation circuits like CMOS inverter, AND gate implementation using CMOS, OR gate implementation using CMOS. So a lot of designs we already discussed in our channel. If needed, kindly refer the video. So this session I only focus how to simulate CMOS inverter circuit using mobile Android applications. So first I go to Play Store. So in this Google Play Store, you just type Electric Circuit Studio. So it's one type of application. So this application is mainly used to simulate the CMOS circuits. I already installed this app. Now I just open this app. So it's a front end of this app application. So bottom of the application, so a lot of components are listed here. So ground, resistor, capacitor and inductor, voltage source, pulse, then diode, LED, transistors and MOSFET, PMOS and NMOS transistors and logic gates. So a lot of components listed out here. So based on your design, so which component is opted, you just choose it. So in this video, I am going to demonstrate the CMOS inverter. So I am taking two transistor, PMOS transistor and NMOS transistor. So this one is a PMOS transistor and this one is NMOS transistor. So I need two transistor for this design. You just drag the component where you need to place. So I just place it here. Then I need one voltage source. So I just click here. So it's a voltage source. Then I need a pulse generator. So I keep it here. Then ground. I place it here. So one more ground required to connect the voltage source and another ground for connecting NMOS transistor. So now I just fixing the component pulse generator and voltage source, PMOS transistor and NMOS transistor, then ground. Now I am going to make the connections. So here the symbol is like pen and paper. So just I click this symbol. Then wherever you need the connection, just you touch between these two component. Then this pulse. So one more time you touch here. This pulse and PMOS transistor is connect. Then the pull up network and pull down network. So these two transistors are interconnected. Then the NMOS transistor is connect to ground. So substrate also connect to ground. Here PMOS transistor is connect to voltage source and the substrate also connect to voltage source. Then the voltage negative is connect to ground. Then these two input of the PMOS transistor and NMOS transistors are interconnected. So it's a simple structure of CMOS inverter circuit. So this CMOS inverter circuit, it consists of two transistors. So one is PMOS transistor that called as a pull-up network. The next one is pull-down network. So pull-down network consists of NMOS transistors. So input of these two gates are interconnected. This term is connected to pulse. Now I assign the voltage level. So default the voltage source value is 1. So I need to change this voltage level. I just click the voltage source, then this symbol. So voltage value is 1 volt. I need to change the voltage. I just click on here. So tap to change. Now I give to 5 volt. So now I assign the voltage value 5. Then I give the pulse. So width of the pulse I need to change. So width is 1 second. I change this width 1.25. So whatever you need, you just change the width of the values. So falling time and rising time you may change. After giving the voltage source and pulsating values, now I am going to verify the CMOS inverter output. I just click this line. So this line is the input line. Then press I symbol. Then this one is the run. I run the design. So now just to show the input pulsating values 0s and 1. So this 0s and 1 is given to the input of CMOS inverter. So top of the inverter circuit is placed PMOS transistor. So this PMOS transistor only activate in the voltage level is 0. And bottom of the portion is connect to NMOS transistor. So whenever the pulsating value goes to 1, that time only NMOS transistor is turned on. Now I am going to verify the output. So output get from here, this M1 terminal. I just click M1 terminal, then press I. So this I symbol. Now we verified the output. So input value is 1, the corresponding output is 0. So green is represent for input and red is represent for outputs. So CMOS inverter, the input value is 0, the corresponding time only the output is 1. Suppose input value is 1, the output is 0. So it's a simple design to make the CMOS inverter application. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.